Hi everybody, Rose from Bridgewater Public Library. Thanks for joining me today. Welcome. So today is the last painting for the summer reading challenge, the theme of Tales and Tales. So I have a fun wood cutout that my dad made for me. And I also want to mention that we're going to be changing things a little bit. I've been doing videos for about a year now with the Art with Rose. I was doing them every week, and then the last 3 months or so every other week. So that's going to change. The videos will only be during the holidays, specials like Halloween and Christmas and Valentine's holiday type themed. But we will be offering some fluid art classes live in person. Mainly adults, there might be some teen ones in there, and I'm going to teach it. And so that'll be fun. And so keep your eye out on our website. The dates and times haven't been determined yet, so it'll all be on our website. And it'll be on the weekly emails if you get our weekly email. And if you don't, sign up for our weekly emails. So that's fun, and I just want to let you know that's changed. So it's been fun. I've learned so much in the last year, so I'm not stopping, so don't worry. So let's get to it and let's see what Dad made for us. Okay, here we go. I have my dad cut out a whale image out of wood. So I've got it primed, and I'm gonna try to do one of those beach swipe smear on it. So let's see if I can get it to work. So this is just regular white, and the back is taped, and I just have it propped up on some cups. So there's that. closer. Really cool, really pleased with it. And I'll show it to you dried. All right, here it is dried and resined. I'm really thrilled with it. It looks really nice with the resin. Here's some close-up details. So yep, dried and resin. So this will be in the display case. So stop by and come check it out. Our last piece for the Tales and Tales reading theme, reading challenge, summer reading. And go check it out and you can see what it looks like up close and personal, and resin does make a huge difference. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you. I hope keep your eye out for the details on the in-person art classes. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.